all the lectures of speed, the everything is there in the lectures. If you just look close enough, he has said each and every word. Even everything he's saying is very high yield. So I was able to catch on a lot of things. And so the main thing is key solving MCQs is very important for all these exams.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Aakash Nikhil Srivastav for scoring a rank number 2 of AML and CML in NEES MCH Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery in April 2026 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. And thank you for the opportunity. I'm Dr. Aakash Nikhil Srivastav from Hyderabad. I did my MBBS from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, and my MS General Surgery from King George's Medical University, Lucknow. I'm a first generation doctor in my family, and it's my aim to become the first cardiothoracic surgeon as well. And it's my passion for this specialty that has brought me so far, sir. And I feel ecstatic to have this opportunity, as this is the culmination of about 12 years of hard work. And I'm looking forward to pursue a life in cardiothoracic surgery.
Very nice, excellent. And the cardiothoracic surgeon or the king of surgery.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Very nice, excellent. Great accomplishment so far, and been heading towards a great and wonderful, commendable career.
Definitely, sir.
And so the wish and idea to do a cardiothoracic surgery started with.
Sir, I always knew I was going to do cardiothoracic surgery, but my interests became much more concrete during my MS training when I got to assist in procedures like ASD patch repair, VSD, DVR, MVR, cabbage, and TOF repair. And after that, I knew okay, I love this branch. That's it. I don't think twice. So I had no doubts in my mind really. The branch was already decided. Only the university where the best where I can get that was the only thing that was remaining. And this exam, luckily, I was able to accomplish because of God's grace and everything else.
Very nice, excellent. So the journey started mentally to do that, and when it started technically to work on towards it to achieve what you're today.
To be honest, this is my second attempt at INI. My first attempt was during my MS Prof exams, actually. And I literally only studied for 4 days before my last entrance. That was in November 2025. That was my first attempt. I studied only for 4 days, and I still managed to get AIR 21 in AIMS. So I knew if I gave it another shot, definitely I'll be able to do it. There was no doubt. I, in fact, messaged you also asking you, sir, ki where can I find the previous years? You were kind enough to reply. You said, ki, Doctor, you please do all the videos. Everything is there. And I did exactly that, sir. And whatever you said, everything has been on point. Yeah, your lectures, Dr. Arun Kumar's lectures, there's no doubt everything speed has. One doesn't need to go beyond speed for this exam at the very least. There's no doubt.
Thank you, Doctor, for wonderful words. Team of Speed will be very happy listening to your good words. And number of questions that you are able to attempt in this exam?
The 80 out of 80.
Okay.
You told, so you have to either go all in. You have to go all in. There's no second thoughts. So.
Too good. And thanks for getting that right so that your rank is always stays in top.
Yes, sir.
That risk and is required meticulously to hit the top ranks.
Yes, sir. My friend used to say, go big or go home. So I just went all in. There's no doubt.
Good. So what is your message for the future aspirants of MCH cardiothoracic and vascular surgeons?
Sir, there are two main things that I would like to say at this point. One thing is, sir, my journey towards accomplishing something in this exam started from these interviews only. When I started preparing, I went through all the previous year's toppers interviews, and that's why I just wanted to find out what they're doing, how they're doing it, anything that I can find. And so I would like to make life a little easier for the present aspirants. In my interview, they basically they showed me 4 slides. They showed me. There was a Torsades. They asked me Torsades ECG. They just showed a picture of Walton C. Lillyhigh. They asked about him. One slide was just a slide written warfarin, and they just asked me to talk about it. And the other was a triangle of safety. They just asked about triangle of safety. And they didn't ask me any instruments. They didn't ask me anything else. In my previous interview, they asked me ASD patch repair. They showed me the picture of ASD patch repair. Again, Torsades. and they asked me an X-ray. It had right lower lobe collapse and it had CP angle blunting. Maybe they were aiming for a specific diagnosis. Maybe I couldn't catch it, but I didn't say anything above and beyond. I just saw whatever I saw, I just told them. And luckily, I was still able to get 15 out of 20 in that interview. And this time also, sir, I think it was a good attempt, the interview part. And so, yeah, mainly the interview, I think, is the main difficult part. The MCQ exam, it's all about your preparation, how much ever you have prepared. And in that aspect, sir, the second thing which I would like to say is key as medical aspirants, especially the super specialty, what we are trying to achieve. We are trying to chase something ethereal in the sense ki it doesn't exist. Like I can't pick up something and say ki this is rank 2, this is what I have achieved. It exists in ether. And to chase something ethereal, one has to have mental fortitude, definitely, and a lot of persistence and mental strength. All these three things are required. Otherwise, these MCQ exams are highly competitive. And to be honest, I wasn't expecting this rank 2, and I just gave it my best. And sir, obviously the speed, every all the lectures of speed, the Arun Kumar Swami says, everything is there in the lectures. If you just look close enough, he has said each and every word. Even Hari Prasad sir's lectures are there. Initially, I found them a little boring, but then I noticed everything he's saying is very high yield. So I was able to catch on a lot of things. And so the main thing is ki, solving MCQs is very important for all these exams. Without solving MCQs, one cannot breach that ceiling to crack these exams. And sir, and personally, I actually wanted to help all of the aspirants. So I've actually started my own strategic consulting firm. And if anybody is interested, they can look me up on YouTube or LinkedIn, and they can talk to me about that. But sir, otherwise speaking, these exams do require a lot of hard work. They require preparation, and it's a skill. MCQ solving is a skill. You can't say ki it's a talent that one is born with. Absolutely not. I would say I'm a very average student. I just work very hard. Nobody can defeat me in that. That is the only thing. And I'm incredibly blessed to get this rank at the end of it and have this interview with you. It's an honor, sir, definitely.
Great, great, amazing, inspiring words that could move a lot of students further. So it's very, very incredible and superb. Very, very positive vibes and energy.
Thank you, sir.
You share your link and I can share it to people who need it.
Oh, yes, definitely, sir. Definitely.
So once again, I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing career in cardiothoracic and vascular surgery. And definitely because of your passion and emotion and enthusiasm and energy in that, definitely people will be benefited out of your services. And advanced wishes, congratulations. And also wish you a very, very, very happy,
Thank you very much, sir.
fabulous anniversary.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.